Ready to go? Good evening. Good evening. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. You know how we're gonna get started? Let's find us a story to tell. Hmm. So here we go. Maintaining a decent relationship with your ex is the hardest and most important thing you can do. Yeah, I know she hurt you. She left. She has a new man now. You are bitter. Get over it. Move on. Get a therapist. It will make negotiating time with your child much easier. It will make holidays, birthdays, and family time way easier to navigate. At the end of the day, you've got to do what's best for your kid. We are dads, and that's what we do. She's crazy. Even more important that you don't trash talk her to the kids. Speak respectfully to her. Pay your child support and get as much time as you can with your kid because that's what matters. It's not forever, just 18 years. Wow. This is a great post. Excellent post. I'm going to upvote this because this is an excellent post. Let's give this an upvote. Boom. And then read the first comment. Yep. And to go further, if you don't like your ex, the trick is to reframe the relationship to a coworker who you don't like. If you didn't like a coworker, you would just talk to them formally and politely when needed and no other time and not have any personal discussion and just do your job and work together when you had to, right? Same thing. Don't discuss any personal bullshit. Keep it about your kid and keep all communication very formal and polite and nothing more. This is excellent advice. This is what I do. Me and my ex are on great terms. We communicate via Google Hangouts. We don't text. We don't talk on the phone. The children talk to her when they want to. If there's something that comes up that we need to discuss, chat about it and move on. So this is excellent conversation. I think all single fathers should take note and heed to this conversation. Yeah, it might be difficult. Yeah, you might be hurt. Yeah, you might be bitter. You might be upset. You might feel like, you got the short end of the stick. But at the end of the day, part of being a man is part of like sucking it up and, you know, dealing with the tough things in life. That's what we're supposed to do. So I really, really like this advice. You're maintaining a decent relationship. Decent. You don't have to be a sucker. You don't have to be, you know, disagreeable. Just maintaining a decent co-parenting relationship with your ex is the hardest and most important thing you can do. And that is that for today. All right. So it's a new week. Let's take a look at some markets. So I am only in one trade right now. If you can see, I'll show you guys because I'm not want to hide. I lost so much last week. I was trading crypto and this pullback in the crypto market really, really, really was deep. And I wasn't really expecting it to go down that far. So first we're going to take a look at Ethereum. Oh, it bounced a lot from here. So from here we got a bounce. So this is support now. This is support now. And it looks like if this support holds right here, we could see 1590 or so this week. If this breaks back below this level, then we're going to continue down. But as of now, it looks like we could be getting some recovery on Ethereum. Overall, we're still in an uptrend. Like I said, this level right here, if we don't hold this level right here, we could see a drop further down to the 1300s. If we do, we might start pushing back up this way. I expect a little bit of consolidation before we continue past 2000 because markets have to cool off. That's what they do. You know, what comes up must go down, or what goes up must come down. Bitcoin, same situation. I mean, huge move here, hit 60,000, pull back. If we get a break below 45, I'm looking for the next level to be around 38.4. If we hold this support, then we're going back up here to 52. Litecoin found some support here. There's going to be some links in my description box so you guys can download some crypto wallets, check out my Telegram, donate, you know, just give you some options, ask questions. I'll leave my email so you can just kind of get an idea of what I'm looking at. So here on Litecoin, I kind of expect this support to hold. If not, we're going to fall down to 149, maybe even 125. And if we can hang in there, then next stop 200. um this is a nice little pullback right here. I kind of expect this guy to continue falling, maybe all the way down to, I will be looking for a sell all the way down to here. So I'll be waiting on the lower time frames from the sell setup, basically a break below this would be some continuation down to around the 137 level. Because this has to correct. This has been on an uptrend for the last September, October, November, December, 5 or 6 months. So we got to get some correction right here. That's just the way the markets rumble. Big bull candle. Big bull candle right here on Ethereum Classic. Now it's kind of in a zone. So we need to either break below this zone or break above this zone to continue to 18. Now this looks like a good chart. I'm gonna keep my eye on this chart because if you can get a nice little run up from here, that's about 60-70%. Ford. Oh, speaking of Ford, I saw the new Ford Mustang truck today. Nice vehicle. I wish I could show it to you guys, but I don't really have. Let's see. Let's see if we can find it. Oh yeah, this is it. You gonna see this? Pretty nice. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah. So speaking of that, I saw the new Ford Mustang truck today. Looking at a Ford on the weekly, it's been an uptrend. So I'm expecting a slight pullback from these levels, maybe back down into here. But if we break past this zone, then the next stop is probably in the around the 1479 level. But I kind of want to see it pull back down into here and then continue up, because this has to show some correction at some point. We have to get some correction. I think we might maintain this zone for a little while before either continuing up, or really before continuing up, because like I said, Ford has some good products coming out. I think earnings is coming up soon. I think Ford is one to keep your eye on for the future. Let's see, what else do we want to look at? Yeah, like I said, every week, guys, if you guys have any pairs you want us to take a look at, any stocks, any cryptos, any questions you might ask as far as wallets, hardware wallets, digital wallets, things of that nature, just let me know. This is silver. We're kind of just still ranging, man. Silver is hard to trade. I personally struggle trading it. I am a silver bug, so I'm always looking for silver coins, silver rounds, ounces of silver, as a long term investment. But as far as trading silver, it's really hard. So you look at it, right, and you see just like this is over the last 5 years, consolidated. Consolidated here before falling down here and then coming up. Consolidated here before falling down here and then coming up. So if I look at this right, we are still consolidating, and until we get any type of confirmations for we're going up higher, this is a no trade zone for me. I would stay away from it. Now, what I would like to see happen is get down in here to a buy zone, but with everything that's going on with the dollar and printing a bunch of money and war and things. I don't know if that's going to happen. So right now, I'm just kind of waiting. So if you see it gets here, pulls back, gets here, pulls back. So we need to see how much this is going to pull back, and then if it's going to continue up to this side or if it's going to break further down to this side. Those are our two options when looking at silver. Again, I'm not looking to trade it until it can either break above and stay above 28 or break below and stay below 26. Don't really trade gold, so I'm not going to talk about that today. This is my guy too. Okay, this is a Swiss franc dollar. This is really a good place to get in. If you didn't get in there, if you take a look, actually right here this is a crucial spot, because if you look right here, I would like to get some pullback, and then we're going to continue going up towards, right up here. My bias is bullish. I would wait for a pullback and then continue towards 92,851. So pull back down into this zone some and then continue on up. is what I'm looking at. All right. Well, this has been a quick market review on Sundays. I appreciate you guys for joining us. Yeah, I'll see you next week.